Okay. Right now, I'm about to come up on a whole batch of pelicans here at Bay Beach. And I'm gonna run through them and scare them off and watch them flap in the sky. So I'm watching, have you see this. See all the pelicans right there? Oh, mine. So I'm gonna run, they're gonna all fly away. Here we go. Put my head on backwards first. Okay, I'm getting closer. I'm getting a little closer. Look how close I am. Okay, ready? Here we go. Here they are! Oh my God! Hello! Here they are flying around. Oh, they're landing again. I'm surprised they didn't attack me. Okay, they landed again. I run through them. Watch them fly again. Here we go. There they go, flying away again. Surprised that they didn't attack me again. They're all flying up above. I don't know why they're sitting over here though. They landed again over here. Here they go! That was fun! Did it twice! That was awesome! They're all coming back. Alright, I think I'm done. Out of breath, I'll go by Casey and get him now.